Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. This session is very important because it is going to explain the loan disbursement accounting feature. I'm searching a loan, and in this loan, in the payment section, I can see there is one entry. Let me delete this entry for 10th Jan. Okay. Now we have added this concept that we can make the payment to third party also. Okay, so in what scenario we have to pay to third party? When there is a channel partner involved in the disbursement, or DSA involved, or there are multiple concepts also. For example, in case of invoice financing, distributor is involved. In case of hospital financing, then the hospital is involved. Okay, so for this loan, the the disbursement is done for F-20, who is the borrower. In case of invoice financing, dealer. In case of hospital financing, patient. So now we have to make the payment to third party or channel partner. So in payment, by default it will show the borrower, so F-20, but then I want to make payment to F-21. Okay, and let's say I'm making a partial payment, okay, and pay to third party for whatever date we can select, 10th Jan, pay to third party. When I make this payment, there would be entries like from bank, pay to the third party, and from third party the payment is done to the borrower. So we have created a concept of uh, intermediate accounting or journal entry. Okay, so this is the example where we can introduce intermediate payments, and in fact we can make payment to any third party. So the restrictions of payment making to specific party is also eliminated. Now how I can search whether this is 22, 21 or that? So you can search here. First find out what is the file number and enter that file number here. Okay, and if it is a normal payment, like you are doing as usual, so in that case you can basically go to payment. By default it will show, and just enter the amount and pay to borrower. So in that case it is directly from bank to the borrower. Okay, now I'm considering one more example of invoice financing. Now I search loan number 293. Now in this file, F-150 is the dealer, whereas in the payment section 151 is the distributor. We can also say that the parent of the dealer. So parent financing of the dealer. So 151 here, it will automatically, system knows that this dealer has a distributor, so system automatically takes that, and we can simply add a payment, select the date, select rest of the things as you know, and then make a payment. Okay, so this is covered